Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of video creation using the grok app. If you're looking to elevate your video making game, you're in the right place. Let's explore how to harness the top features of grok and some handy tips to get you started. First off, grok is designed with user-friendliness in mind, making it accessible for everyone, from beginners to seasoned pros. To create your video, simply open the app and select the Create option. You'll be greeted with a variety of templates tailored for different styles and purposes. Whether you're crafting a tutorial, a vlog, or a promotional piece, there's a template that fits your vision. One of grok's standout features is its intuitive editing tools. You can easily trim clips, add transitions, and incorporate text overlays to enhance your storytelling. Don't forget to explore the extensive library of royalty-free music and sound effects to give your video that extra flair. Music can set the mood and keep your audience engaged, so choose wisely. For those looking to take their videos to the next level, grok offers advanced features like multi-layer editing and color correction. These tools allow you to fine-tune your visuals and create a polished final product. Remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment with different styles and techniques to discover what resonates with your audience. Lastly, always keep your audience in mind. Engaging content is key, so think about what they would find valuable or entertaining. With grok, you have the power to create videos that not only inform but also inspire. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you feel empowered to start creating with grok. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own grok creations in the comments below. Happy filming!